When is the next time that Pepecoin will be released? Thank you for returning to the crypto port. Hello, my name is Black C, and I have another video for you all to watch. The topic of discussion for today is going to be Pepe, so be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then let's get started with this video. This is going to be our first stop on the Pepe chart, so let's get started. In order to get a better understanding of the direction that I believe this market is going, we are going to conduct some preliminary research. As of right now, we are looking at the daily time frame on Pepe, and we are observing that the flow of money is beginning to curve upward, as well as the wave of momentum beginning to curve upward and beginning to... This is where we should kind of just consolidate a little bit. Over the course of the past week, over the course of the weekend, we witnessed a small amount of an impulse wave. However, I anticipate some explosive moves later this week. I really do. You know, we watched Bitcoin today make a move over $100,000 all the way up to 102K, nearly closing over a really key milestone, which we'll talk about later in the video. But as of right now, when you look at the daily, just getting ready to curve up here, guys, I really need to see where Bitcoin decides to head for me to say, okay, Pepe's breaking out right now to new all-time highs. But as of right now, guys, there's a lot of signals, a lot of things going on. And I do think these dips are for buying, so if you want to buy that dip, then check out the description box below or the pinned comment down below. Sign up to Blow for you get a $5,000 sign bonus, as well as 10% off all trading fees for the duration of your account. No other exchanges offering this. And if you guys want to leverage trade Pepe, you want a 100x long and top blast to infinity if you want to do that. I don't advocate you do that, but if you want to have some fun and be a degen, you can do it as well on Blowfin and save on some costs. While you're there, so where exactly are we at this point? Pepe is currently rated 21st, which is an increase of 15 over the past 7 days, but a decrease of around 133 over the past 24 hours. However, we did see a little bit of a bounce, but I do want to underline that there is a lot of room for improvement. Exercise 1 again, in a survival, health, and well-being research, working with Bitcoin and the supremacy of Bitcoin, which leads me to assume that there are two possible outcomes at this point in time. There is a possibility that it is taking place here, and we are going to be discussing it. However, as of right now, the prices of Pepe are at 8.64 billion, and the all-time high for the market cycle has been 11 billion. The other day, I was having a conversation with CryptoKip about how Pepe was launched during the bear market. And at the time, CryptoKip had a large amount of Pepe with a market cap of $10 million. Now, we are sitting at 8.64 billion, and at one point we reached 11 billion. He and I were just talking about how crazy cryptocurrency is. And you know, meme coins can sometimes do absurd things. To put that into perspective, we saw that they are capable of 10x, 100x, and even 1000x, and it is just insane. In spite of the fact that Pepe has already demonstrated that it is a powerful force, I do anticipate that it will continue to demonstrate that it can withstand the test of time. You should know that it isn't very familiar. During the bear market, 21 bull market, when there wasn't much going on, the Pepe on ETH album was released, and it was the Pepe people who were responsible for its release. It achieved the desired level of traction. I believe that there is a world in which Pepe flips Shiba Inus, and not just Shiba Inus, and that this world is going to be there for a very long time. Pepe has a supply of $420.68 trillion, but I wouldn't be surprised to see that decline at some point in the future. However, I do believe that it is likely that Pepe does flip Dogecoin, particularly when it comes to the inflationary element of tokens for Doge. This is especially true when you consider the fact that Pepe has a supply of Dogecoin. And I continue to be of the opinion that a market cap of $8.63 billion for Pepe is a pretty small amount when you consider that it is a meme that has more mindshare than any other meme that is now available on the internet anywhere in the world. Everyone is familiar with the name Pepe. In comparison to Pepe the Frog, I believe that if you were to ask someone living in a remote community in the jungle what a Shiba Inu is, there is a significantly lower probability that they would acknowledge the existence of this breed. That is the stance I take. It's possible that this seems preposterous and insane, but that's how I feel about it. What exactly are these signals then? Is there something going on with Bitcoin and the supremacy of Bitcoin? For what reason do I keep bringing up that topic, and why is it of such critical